I'm not really on the front row.
What's up? I'm Ronnie Renner.
I'm Scott Thrower.
I'm a little loose.
I'm a little shot out.
Strap on your seatbelt because we're going for a hell of a ride.
Oh yeah, baby, come on.
I think the race is this way. Oh yeah. Shot out ranch, baby. This is it. Oh man. Tacos are racing. Tacos can wait.
So here we are, live at Shot Out Ranch, Holly Hill, Florida. If you wanted a specific location, we're at the Holly Hill High Banks.
I don't know what to do with my hands over here.
I'll keep you in check, man. We're at the Holly Hill High Banks. We do a lot of stuff, and typically it costs bigger dollars. These are like our low budget, one of the more funner things we do because there's no care, no concern. These things, we can all wad them up and everybody goes home with a smile on their face.
Moonwalk and do this at the same time.
And there's such a variety here, but one similarity to all these carts is they all have Predator 212s in them. That's the only, like I have two rules here. You have to have 3 or more tires and you have to have a Predator 212. That's it. And now there's some spicy ones, which mine's running on some special juice and all that stuff.
Yeah, it is. I was behind him, and he's going like this, and I'm like, smells so good, stay with me. But he would just, see ya.
It is honestly, it's crazy the variety of what you can do to these little carts. You've seen we got Renner's cart just, what, a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, it's a freshie.
And then he's been out of town, I've been out of town. Bushnell Motorsports actually took care of his cart.
I'm sponsored.
Put him in the winning circle is what they're claiming, so. But
I don't know about all that.
But last night we went through a bunch of tires. We finally got him where he could at least make some laps. It was just uncontrollable. And then now here we are. We're about to get ready. I'm about to do the driver's meeting, and I'm gonna quit rim. I'm gonna Renner, kind of.
Totally, the guy totally misses the most important thing. He's got a taco truck.
Oh man, I should have started with that.
That's where it's at right there. The track, yeah, great. The track's great. Got a taco truck. I'm pumped though. I'm this 4 years I think it's been.
Yep.
And I've missed the last 3. I'm that friend. So
it always falls on Tampa Supercross is what the last 2 have been.
Yeah,
it's
Supercross does take precedence, but
I get it.
Actually, my line is I didn't come until the track was fully dialed. He's talking about how good the track is now. You think I'm gonna come when it was Bush League? No, I come when it's primo.
Look at it.
Look at this. Taste it. Taste it.
Never thought at 38 years old the best thing about this place is me working on dirt, man. Like,
it don't taste as good as it looks.
We're gonna run a driver's meeting. We'll get everybody. The layout of this is we're gonna do 3 heats. We'll take the top 2 drivers of each heat, and then we're gonna do an LCQ. We'll pull 1 from there, and then we'll have an A and a B main. Basically, it's A mains, the faster drivers, B mains, bad news bears. Here at Shot Out Ranch, there's only 1 trophy. It's 1 winner. Everybody else is losers. That's just how it works.
I'm looking forward to getting a butt kicking today. I don't think I'm winning anything. I ain't claiming anything. I'm not even gonna be cocky because in practice I got my doors blown off by a couple people and it ain't looking pretty.
So.
And it's his birthday.
And it's my birthday.
Yeah.
So, and by the way, not to boast or anything, but 3 years running, we're about to make it 4. So unless these guys can stop me.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you, sir. Dang!
Got him!
So like you're getting more chances than you should to be in the A main, right?
Are you doing an A and a B main?
Yeah, A and a B main. A's fast drivers, B slow drivers. No one run out on the track. If you spin out by yourself, you go to the back of the pack. If you spin out more than twice by yourself, you get off the track.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys!
Coming up to the purple people eater. Come on, baby, give me some room. Moving on to the A main, baby. Come on.
Man, I'm nervous. It's like I'm at the X Games again. I gotta get another swig of Mountain Dew to calm my nerves. That's all there is to it. Go! Woo! My man. A diggity dog. Nervous, Travis, I'm nervous.
You'll be good.
Woo!
Where do you start at?
Outside second row.
You got it. You got it.
I don't know any of these dudes, how they all drive, so guess we'll find out. Oh boy, doing it. We're doing it, Harry.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys!
Need more beans, man, or something. It didn't feel slow until there was other cars on the track.
You almost had it.
I know.
It's terrible. Drives like a pig.
Oh, you can't say that.
Why not?
It's a go-kart.
It's a shitbox. It understeers like crazy and the weight distribution is a disaster. It's amazing. All these facilities and you make a piece of crap like this. What is this? Are y'all in cahoots or what?
Working the dragon. We're changing back to the old one since it's so hard to start.
I don't want to pull Travis's arm out before the freaking main, dude.
Look at this, dude. We pulled out all the stops, so I didn't even realize.
Ain't the only thing he pulled out the starter.
Yeah, and we broke the starter cord.
Taylor, you're not doing this very good, brother.
Could be the varnish that was pulling through at the same time.
We thought we were going to take the rev limiter off with you, Taylor. We had to change the dang coil back. Sucker wasn't giving us enough beans. Last LCQ right here. I told you earlier, I can tell you ain't happy about it. Dang, did you just see that?
Hot to it.
Hot to it, and girl, you got nothing on that, bro. Woo!
Got spit on that thing. If you want to make it to the main, you got to spit on that thing.
Last chance, last chance.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys!
to race with the Bad News Bears and the A-Mainers, man. Someone's got to remind him it's the B-Main, man, not the A-Main. He's still got to race that thing. Hey, sir, you still got to race the A-Mainers. You don't want to burn that thing up.
I put a little Mountain Dew in the case that time.
Oh, yeah, we're about to mop up, baby.
I'm not really on the front row. All right, guys. I made it to the A-Main, barely. First in the last chance qualifier. 9-man main event, and I'm at the back right corner. Wish me luck.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys!
A day's work. You just gotta feel one with the car, man. When you become one with the car, you get results like that.
Here we are with the big four champions of the world.
So we're sitting here BSing at the end of an epic day.
Such a fun day, man. A rowdy
Well,
day.
you won, so of course you're going to think that. But and it's your birthday. You got all the stuff going for you, all right?
It is. The ball is my court on that one.
I won the B main. I'm just going to lay it out there. All right.
Hey, we'll give it to you. Most track time performed right here.
Maybe.
You definitely have the most laps performed.
You charge me $1,000 a race. I got to get my money's worth.
Goddamn, some guys got 1,500 in this thing, man. Dang.
My bad. I'm just laughing though. You win the race. All right. I'm going to give. Spoiler alert. Scott wins the race if we're running it back or whatever. Here's the thing though. He's more stoked and gloating right now about how nice his dirt is.
This is 4 in a row, bro. Did you mention that part? You didn't mention that part.
I didn't know. It was small details.
It's his first time.
He should win. I can win a race at my house with freaking flip-flops on, and Ken Roxon can show up. Don't actually show up, Ken.
Ken, man. My dude's getting a little excited here, but all right.
No, you've been massaging this dirt for like weeks, and it shows. I mean, I think all the dudes, we have like probably 99.69% dudes watching this freaking channel.
Yeah,
so
no chicks want to see us.
No, they can all
We're not good looking.
appreciate the dirt with your own front, I would call it backyard, but it's a front yard dirt track that is nicer than any dirt track I've ever been to. So props on that.
I always like to call it creme de la creme.
Creme de la creme. It is top shelf.
It is top shelf.
Yeah. I ravaged all the mains, all the qualifiers, all the last chance qualifiers. So that's a little spoiler alert.
You got all the laps in, dude.
Yeah. It's this guy's birthday. We're gonna have a good time.
38 in the main. When you have 10, you had to put 200 laps in the day.
I'm feeling it,
like
dude.
200.
I am not in the age bracket.
It's like the
dude.
Scotty T 500.
Let's limp out of here.
Conclude tonight. Like, subscribe to our stuff, man.
Hit the bells,
Hit
the
whistles.
Buy the merch, the merch that we don't have yet.
I tell you what, listen. The baddest comment under our video, he's got socks that he's just been storing.
You think I'm just giving those things out?
Giving away now. And then
All right,
I'll give you a t-shirt. And I know it's cheesy, but that's how we're gonna start, man. We gotta start from little to big, but that's what we're giving.
And if we make it to 1,000 subscribers, Scott's gonna give a pair of his whitey tighties away.
Dang, brother. I might have to buy some new ones just to show them off. Like,
after a couple of those moments you had today.
We might, yeah.
1,000 subscriber gets a pair of Scott Throwers, signed whitey tighties with the racing stripe. And you know this boy can race. Let's go. All good, man. I had a great time. Thanks for the invite.
Oh, yeah.
Until next time, if we make it to 39,
oh, yeah, we're doing 39.
I'm coming back with a monster of an engine.
I'm guaranteeing you 39. 40, bro. We'll wait till how that one plays out, you know?
All right. Do all those subscribe and whistle things.
Oh, yeah.
Bells. As he would say, come on.
Come on.
Boy, that escalated quickly. I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
Get away! Get away!
Not cool, man. Not cool at all. I brought a freaking pocket knife to a war. You quit. You did here. I brought a pocket knife to a war, man. What the hell did you set me up for? Holy crap.
Tell me how you feel after you drive.
I feel like I'm gonna get the old Dremel tool out and get to work. Dude, this is living right here. The buffet. Walking tacos, if you know, you know. Oh, heaven on earth. Look at this. Meatballs, all the balls. All the fried stuff. This is party. This is how you party.